Well, we've made it to Alabama. We've been running late. Well, we got one goblin in this hole right here. He got shade on the gun. Hopefully we can lay him down in a minute. Let's check him one more time. That might be just set up right there. Bird straddled on a burst. He ain't but about 200, 250 probably. Does it do this in there? That goblin pretty good. We're fixing to go whack him. Then we're gonna go, there's two more back over here. We're gonna try.
Once he don't pitch, doing that.
Wow. We're gonna sweet talk him, don't you? He's gonna go out towards that cut over. Let's go. Road down there. Is it this road? There's another road down there. Oh God. It goes to a food plot. Comes two of them. I think the first two were Jake's though. That's your call, I don't care. They're running, get ready, click your safety. I couldn't see nothing when you shot.
I thought they was fixing to check out, and I was like, I'm just gonna shoot it.
You got
one down. That's the same one.
God.
What is it?
You're a proud owner of it.
Bought and paid for that one.
Hey, it worked. That's fun. They
That
come
was
running up
fun.
there.
I don't know where they come from. That wasn't a bird.
Well, I looked, I seen two big white heads coming up the road, and I said, oh God, I said, here comes some. But I couldn't tell. When I looked back down there, that big gobbler was standing there.
Was he?
Yeah, well then, and then I seen two white heads coming. One was big old white head, and then a big old red and white head. I said, heck, one of them might be. I couldn't tell.
I'd seen the other one with Jake. I thought, well, maybe it's that gobbler. I couldn't ever see his beard hardly. No.
He got you one.
And he wanted to do it, so by God, he done it. TSS fell over Alabama today.
Well, that's your second bird, ain't it?
Second bird.
Shoot, I shoot Jake my second bird.
I gotta shoot one, right?
Yeah. Is that other bird still going?
He's still fired up. You ready to go kill one?
Yeah, let's go get it. Well, we were on the board. We knocked one down in Alabama. It'd take us. There was a big strutter down here in the road. And two, yeah. Well, I seen him. And then, you know, I seen them two whiteheads coming up the road, and I said, well, I can't tell what they are, but here comes two turkeys. Yeah.
It's middle April.
Yeah, it's late in the season. Shade done whacked them.
Finally.
Yeah, wrong way. They smoked them.